What if you could really vote with your heart? Imagine the world a better place because of you. What if we all pause for a moment of peace?
Right, so
What if
it is the first day of fall, and we have had multiple nights of down below freezing. And I have a video that it's been almost done for a while. Okay, so these peppers got clobbered. These guys are done, and the peppers that I moved inside are fine. The comfrey is fine. But look, the greenhouse, not done yet, but a lot more done. That's pretty exciting. So, yeah. Well, I was working on this video like, now it's 3 weeks ago. I don't know how 3 weeks went by. The video was before and after. And I was working on these raised beds. And my dad got his beard trimmed finally. I got a haircut. And just kind of in the rush to get a bunch of other things done. Really, I dropped the editing ball. And so I'm hoping today I can take a few minutes, finish that video up, and get it to you. So I guess this is it. This is the video. Here we go. Boom. So where are you going?
To see my barber friend over on Route 11.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
So this is the before shot.
Yeah.
This is, you haven't had a haircut since March, right?
Yeah, something like that.
How long is it? Look at that. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. And yeah, so good. Well, we'll see. I now have a before.
Yep.
And we'll do an after when you come back.
Okay.
Have fun.
Yeah.
And this here, any place where there's stumps and rocks is going to be a raised bed. So this will be raised bed out to here. There'll be a path this way. And we have the raised bed going around a thing, then a path.
I will hold you in my heart and surround you with love. I will hold you in my heart in the light we're all made of.
The old man's just driving back in after having his hair cut for the first time since March. It is September 4th. And here at Apocalypse Gardens and Healing Pastures, or here at Healing Pastures and Apocalypse Gardens, we believe in excellent personal hygiene. So the old man's gonna come out and let's see what he looks like. I'm gonna switch the camera angle. Here we go, boom. Okay people, here it is. The big reveal. Holy crap, you just dropped like 20 years, dude. Yeah. Who's that slim, trim gentleman who looks like he's got his stuff together and is actually can still drive and beat people at Scrabble and drive a riding lawnmower and snowblower? There you go. All right, Papa Luby. Okay. Well, you did good. I'm going to do a backwards film of you.
Okay.
Because you're awfully cute. No one wants to see me, but I get lots of requests on the channel for you.
Sure.
And
yeah.
Now I'm going to film you going into the house. Pull the camera back. Zoop. And there he goes. A whole different man who left mere minutes earlier. Shazam. Boom. Well, I have it kind of put together, so I think I can start putting the metal on, and I'm gonna finish it today. I think it would be a good idea to be able to just even take the end off and see how decomposed the wood is in the hugel. Yeah. Hold on 1 second here. All right, so right now it's kind of aiming in there. I'm thinking of turning it so it's where the where the Nanking cherries are. So it's more of going that way.
Yeah.
So that, I think, will open up the center a little better.
You're talking about this one. Huh?
This one here.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Right now, I kind of like where it is,
Yeah,
but I'm having the thought that there's a stump at the end,
yeah,
but leaving it pretty close either on that stump or just on the other side of it, I can turn it
yeah, okay,
so it's angled more to where the Nanking cherries are.
okay.
And I think that's what I'm going to do, but I just
Right.
kind of needed to talk it out. And
Yeah, I think covering that stump is,
yeah, that's the whole idea with all these beds, is that
yeah,
there's
it's
stumps
a
and
good idea.
because we can't grow anything there anyway,
No,
so might as well go up.
yeah,
But I like the idea of them kind of being a little bit of a boundary rather than
Yeah.
in the middle,
yeah, right.
because we can keep building up the stuff in the middle
Yeah,
and eventually grow,
yeah,
there, or use the cloth raised beds, or
yeah,
we could build other raised beds in the future. But I think
Yeah.
it would mirror that one on the front, because it would be kind of around the circle
yeah,
kind of a thing, and I think that
Yeah.
might be the way to go. All right.
sure.
All right, so now I'm liking that,
You're liking that? Okay,
but that's what I'm thinking.
mm-hmm.
Pull the camera back even more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm going back there.
Okay, I'm gonna go mess around with this more.
Yeah, okay.
Then I'll make dinner. Certainly not gonna fill it up for a little while, so I can sit with it overnight or for the next few days. Let's see what it looks like from the street. Man, these raised beds are looking good. My dad said he saw someone down the road who's doing the same thing. Maybe they passed by and saw what I was doing. And there we go. I think that looks pretty good there. See if we can get all of them.
What if you could really vote with your heart? Imagine the world a better place because of you. What if we all pause for a moment of peace? What if for a moment all hostility could cease? Be the change you want to see in the world. Be the change you want to see. Be the change you want to see in the world. Be the change you want to see. Brothers, sisters, fathers and mothers, what if we all got together and took a moment to breathe with each other to show that we can make things better? Be the change you want to see in the world. Be the change you want to see. Be the change you want to see in the world. Be the change you want to see. Broadcasting love is a conscious choice that allows your hurt to mend. So lay down your arms and open up your heart. There is nothing that you have to defend. So be the change you want to see in the world. Be the change you want to see. Be the change you want to see in the world. Be the change you want to see. surround you with love. I will hold you in my heart, in the light we're all made of. Be the change you want to see in the world. Be the change you want to see. Be the change you want to see in the world. Be the change you want to see. Be the change you want to see in the world. Be the change you want to see. Whoa. Be the change you want to see in the world. Be the change you want to see. Be the change you want to see.
Well, I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed some of the before and after stuff. I'll be playing more with this idea because this essentially today is the beginning of year number 3. It was September in 2018 when I started having conversations with my dad about me moving up here and turning his 3 acres into a food forest, something I wanted to do when I was in Del Mar, but there was just too much shade. It wasn't my property. And I was coming back up and down with my dad a lot. And I was like, you know what? He's 93. I'm going to be 60. Let's work together. Let's form something. Let's build something so that our last years are productive and exciting, you know? And my dad has just really gotten on board, and he's really excited by the whole process. And to me, that's joyful. So looking ahead, hopefully we can get through this election. Hopefully we'll still have a country. Hopefully the pandemic will subside. But in the meantime, we're going to raise food. And we're in the process of doing long-term, perennial, sustainable food production that is scalable. So essentially anything we do here on our little 3 acres, we can then expand with leased land. And there's a ton of land around that is overgrown with brush, and with the proper use of pigs and goats and sheep and cows, we can actually heal the land. So that's where the healing pastures piece comes in. But at the same time, the apocalypse garden, very important for the balance, right? And the comfrey could end up being food for rabbits, also mulch, also something called comfrey tea. And so that's it. I hope you're enjoying this. If you are, please subscribe, please share this, please give me one of them thumbs up things. If not, that's okay too. I'm not doing it for approval. I'm doing it because I feel this urgency for some reason to be prepared for whatever the world throws at us, right? And we're never fully prepared, but that's the idea of being a resilient, deep thinking, visionary type people, is that what are we being called to do? What is reality? We have so many things we want, but what is it that we have right in front of us that's offering us an opportunity to heal, to grow, to inspire, to learn? And it looks like, my asparagus is, I just looked at my asparagus and it looked a little dry, but it's not. It's just the surface. You know, what are we here to do? I'm here to make music. I'm here to be a healer for myself and for the people I love and for people I don't know. I'm here to feed the children. I'm here to leave the world a little better place than I found it. And that's kind of a fun project every day. And in the meantime, to appreciate the beauty of this world, the magic of a chickadee going chickadee-dee-dee and landing on my hand, you know, on a really cold day. They'll just land right on my hand. And so to be here is a wonderful gift. And I hope you find your place. I hope you find a place where you, even if it's a windowsill, where you can grow something delicious and healthy and nutritious to eat, or that you know a farmer who can do that for you, and maybe you can do something for him or her. All right, so that's it for now. Peace, grooviness, over and out. Boom!